Myself Care Singh from Jyotri Academy. Today we'll discuss class 12 subject BST chapter 2 principles of management. So here we see the principle of scientific management. Those have been given by F.W. Taylor. So in this principles we see scientific management means knowing exactly what you want men to do and seeing that they do it in the best and cheapest way. A person, those have been really what he can do the work and seeing that how they have been complete the work and best and effective methods, those have been helpful for the increasement of the business. Thereafter, first one is science, not rule of thumbs. The science, we cannot say that science not rule of thumb, because it will be work at a scientific study, a better methods. It is the best method to maximize efficiency. It will be enhance the efficiency level to the pupil. Those have been helpful for the growth of the company. It can be developed through scientific study. Those have been analyze the particular research and analyze the particular techniques and different types of other things. Those have been helpful for the growth of an organization. It analyze of each element of job. All the elements must be analyzed that a particular job will if all the element have been not analyzed thereafter, that will not give at effective output. It not work hit or miss method. We know merit, demerit and proper research. We cannot go with hit or miss method that have been fully depend on assumption and other thing. We know all the things, what is profit law, how we can generate more and more profit, how can, and what is merit and demerits, and all the research about that particular work. It give result in saving of human effort, time and material. If the human effort have been not uses at effective way, thereafter the proper output cannot be coming. So effective time and material must be used at the growth of an organization. Thereafter, second one is harmony, not discord. Here we understand the exact meaning of harmony is work together. In an organization, if the people are not working with together, thereafter they have been coming from different types of conflict. So in an organization, employees and employer must be work with together at better coordination. Discord means individual. Here it provides complete harmony between management and workers. If the management and worker cannot do work with better coordination, thereafter the better output cannot come. And if the best output cannot come, thereafter it is not good for the organization. Thereafter, both know about each one is important. Everyone can know that management and worker both have been very important of an organization. If they have been any types of conflict, there the complete profit or the growth of a company is not easier. Thereafter, mental revolution means complete change in attitude and outlook for each other. If they have been not change their attitude and behavior of each other, thereafter it is very difficult to create a situation where they can adjust to each other. For example, the main objective of worker is to earn more. The worker think that we can earn more and more money, and the objective of management is maximize production. He think that if the production will not be maximized, thereafter the profit will be reduces. So both have been different types of objective, where the worker have earned more and more, and other management think that maximize production. Okay, thank you very much.